to my YouTube channel. So today we will discuss about the fish health management. These notes are important for your ICR fisheries PG exam and other fisheries related exam. Before starting a video, it's a request, if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe to my channel and like, share and comment on my videos. So let's start the video. So fish health management has some points to be noted or to be kept in mind before starting the fish health management. So pH of fish blood should be 7 to 8. Then comes the fluid drag. This is the resistance of water faced by the fish during the swimming. So when the fish swims, it faces the resistance in the water so through this it gets the fluid drag marks on its body. Then types of muscles. White muscles produces energy through aerobic process, which is during the oxygen presence and build up the lactic acid. Okay, then dark muscles produces the energy through anaerobic process, which is in the absence of oxygen. You know about the anaerobic and aerobic process, as aerobic processes are those which occurs during the presence of O2 and anaerobic processes are those which are generally occurs during the absence of O2. Then comes the chloride cells. These cells are generally located at the base of gill filament to regulate the osmosis. So osmosis is a process of ion exchange occurs in the fish body, and this to kept it regulating, the chloride cells are present in the gill filament. Then comes the swimming bladder. These organs are important for maintaining the buoyancy of the fishes. So type of swimming bladder. How many types of swimming bladder are there? Two type of swimming bladder are there. So you can see the phytostomus and the phytoclestus. So phytostomus are those which has the connection with the esophagus, whereas phytoclestus are those which does not has the connection with esophagus. So अगर आपका जो ईसोफेगस का कनेक्शन है स्विमिंग ब्लैडर के साथ, तो उसको क्या बोलेंगे? फाइटोस्टोमस. whereas phytoclestus are those which does not has the connection with the esophagus. Okay, then comes the type of digestive system. Type of digestive system are of two type, tubular sucking type and the grinding gasping type. So tubular sucking type means कि डायरेक्ट आपका जो खाना है वो आपका डायरेक्ट फूड पाइप से आपका स्टमक के थ्रू, इंटेस्टाइन के थ्रू जो है आपका एब्जॉर्प्शन हो जाएगा. whereas grinding gasping type is the mouth itself has the grinding part which is generally teeth. Okay, so grinding and gasping type are generally occurs in the carnivorous fishes, and tubular sucking type generally occurs in the carps and catfishes. Okay, then sensory organ in the fishes. So sensory organ are generally olfactory sacs in the barbels. You know, the barbels have the sensory organ and it provide the senses for the for searching for the food. Whenever the fish search the food, if it has the barbel gives the senses that food is next to you, and then the fish can take the food. Then the capilla, an organ in each chamber of lateral line that act as a sensor of neuromast organ. You know that the lateral line have the sensory organ. In generally in sharks, the neuromast organ is present in the lateral line, and then that gives the senses to the fish that some prey or some predators are there next to them. Then we go to the next part, the ductless endocrine glands. So ductless endocrine glands are generally present in the fishes. These are pituitary, internal carpus of Stenius, chromaffin bodies and urophysis. So name of glands and secretion. So generally pituitary secrete the prolactin, androcorticotrophin, thyroid stimulating hormones, gonadotrophin, somatotrophic hormone, you know, then melanocytes stimulating hormone and cortisol. So prolactin generally helps in the maintaining the buoyancy as well as maintaining the osmoregulation in the fishes, and then adenocorticotrophin generally stimulate the stress hormone or maintains the stress hormone. Thyroid stimulating hormone generally helps in stimulating the thyroid gland. Then thyroid glands or the thyroid hormone, which are T3 and T4, and the thyroid stimulating hormone. Then gonadotrophins are generally induces the hormones which are responsible for maintaining the gonads, okay, or gonadal development in the fishes. Then somatotrophic hormone generally helps in the growth, and melanocytes stimulating hormone generally provides the color in the fishes, okay. Then carplus subcutaneous calcitonin produces the calcitonin or secretes the calcitonin hormone, okay. Then interrenal or adrenal gland corticosteroids, which is cortisol and which is cortisol. Generally, cortisol is produced from the adrenal gland. Then urophysis is responsible for urotensin, which are generally produces arginine, and vasostocin hormone, which are responsible for osmoregulation, and the hemocytosis, which is generally maintaining the blood temperature or the fish temperature, okay. Next comes the